Subscribe to Freelancing with Fahad to enhance your freelancing skills. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.
Hey there, welcome to another lesson of copywriting for beginners. The bias that we will discuss now is called the Forer effect or the Barnum effect. Now, what is it all about? You might have observed many ads, many ad copies, many visual, commercial and infomercial, and watching them and reading them feels as if they are communicating to only yourself, despite the fact that they are written and created for masses of audience, but they feel as if they are very exclusive. Have you ever experienced anything in your life? Have you ever read anything like that, or have you ever listened anything like that without giving you any moment to think? Here is the thing that I am talking about. Horoscope. It's an extremely good example of Forer effect. Suppose that your star is Libra, and if you will read the daily horoscope of Libra, you will definitely feel that it is written for you. But for the sake of argument, go to the portion of Sagittarius and read that, and consider yourself as a Sagittarian. You will also feel that the same content is written for you as well. All the 12 zodiac signs are written exclusively for you. You will feel like that. So in that thing, the Forer effect, the Barnum effect is definitely used. So how you are going to apply this thing in your copywriting? You know, when you will praise your audience, when you will acknowledge their concern, when you will feel that the so and so concern is the concern of masses of audience or the majority of people that you are targeting, they are more likely to get connected with that. For example, if you will say that we know that you always encourage positivity, okay, we know that you are the person who always like being ethical. No, nobody will be negating this fact that we like good things, we like going ethical, you know. So these are the things. When you will go for the positive attributes for the people, they will always acknowledge it, they will always appreciate it, and that will always resonate with their psyche. Okay, so these are the facts that can be generalized for masses of audience. This is the Barnum effect that we always used in our copies. Now let's read the next bias.
Subscribe to Freelancing with Fahad to enhance your freelancing skills. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.